Hello friends, this class is about the students' problems. In this pandemic, our students are facing a lot. So our children are our future, but our children are amidst of a lot of emotional trauma because their exams are postponed and they have to sit quiet in a room. So the children's problem is very grave. So what we have to do is now is the question that every parent and our government and educational system have to ask themselves. So after this pandemic is over, what we have to do is very important. So till now our education policies were like that. We concentrated more on grades or making the students to get more marks. So we didn't concentrate about their physical or emotional health. So now it is the time that we all parents have to think about it, or we must act right now. So in this topic, COVID-19, its effects on health, education, and hope for children. I am covering this. See, friends, COVID-19 is a pandemic that it is spread all over the world, and India is suffering a lot. So we all know about it. School and colleges are closed. School and colleges are indefinitely closed, and exams are postponed, and online classes are going on. So, but the feel is not like that in the online class because there is place is very less, and this internet problem is there, power problem is there. Poor people don't have the smartphones, so there are so many problems related to these online classes. So exams are postponed indefinitely means students don't know, they are in like they don't know whether read or not read. So their concentration is not good. They are also facing a lot of stress because of this postponed exams. Now the syllabus means in the class means school we cover the practical and theory classes, but in the house it is not like that. In the online classes only theory classes are taken. Practical classes are also taught in virtually, even in medical and engineering classes are virtually taught. But that a student won't get that knowledge. So it is also a very grave problem. And exam in even engineering, BSc, and all exams are going online. Online, they are taking they are completing the semesters in a hurry. So the problem is that students won't be having that knowledge. Next one is the economical crunch. This is a very important topic, friends, because we Indians are suffering economically very badly. So ours is a poor country where most of the people lie below the poverty line. So poor peoples are facing the most. Middle class and upper middle class, these people, we peoples are suffering the most. So economically, when it is very bad for India, and it is very bad for students. So students are suffering because their parents don't have the money. They have to pay the fees for the school. But schools are also helpless because they have to give salary for teachers and maintain the systems. So economical crunch, and we are spending a lot of on our health issues because everyone's health is everyone is worried about their health, and many people are suffering from this COVID and anxiety. That is also taking a lot of problems. Next one is congested space. As we all know that we are confined to our homes, place is very less. Children can't go outside because of this lockdown. They can't go to park, they can't go to school, and they can't. The congested space is there. It is taking toll on their health, mental and emotional health both. So physical and emotional health are getting disturbed of children. So now what we have to do is this pandemic will be over within some days or some months, we can say that. But after this pandemic is over, what is our duty should be that we have to give life skills and occupational courses to our students because it is very important. These are life skills means how we communicate with how we get boost the confidence of our children. That is very important. What in all these all these years our education system didn't focus on this. These occupational courses also have to be started because government can't give employment to all the people. So we have to find, we have to employ ourselves. So we have to teach our students to employ themselves in the future. Next one is boost confidence, plant trees, better place to live in. So we have to boost the confidence in the students because it is already very low, that everything will be over soon. And we have to tell them that to plant trees, to take care of environment, because because it gives a relaxation to their minds also, and it helps in our society, making better society also. So better place to live in. At least now we all need to focus on this problem. Parents need to stop telling the telling the children that to get good grades, good marks, you have to be this IAS, IPS, doctor, engineer, lawyer, and this lawyer. So first they have to tell them to become a healthy person, emotionally, mentally, and physically healthy person. And they have to teach them to take care of themselves and others. This is the most important thing now we have to do. And the education is always there, but we have to teach them the practical knowledge. With theory we have to teach them practical knowledge. So in this way I have explained here, friends. Now I will read it out. See, COVID-19 pandemic has created havoc in students' lives. School and colleges are indefinitely closed and exams are postponed. Online classes have got its limitations of concentration, internet facility, and practical knowledge. Teachers and students both are finding to cope up with syllabus. Uncertainty and fear are filled in everyone's life. Economical crunch and congested space are also increasing their worries. We have to encourage them to have good physical and emotional health. We have to give them hope that everything will be fine soon. We have to encourage them to use their time productively. At least now government and parents have to collectively work towards the reforming our educational system. Life skills and occupational courses have to be taught so that they can lead merry and life full of confidence. So in this way I have written it, friends. Our children are our future. So let us all try towards this. If you like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.